Hi, my name is Megan Johnston, and I am going to demonstrate model talk. So what I would do is I would go ahead and I would begin by introducing the activity. So this is the activity that we are going to do today. Right here, as you can see, there is a little piggy, and he is filled with different types of shapes. You see we have all these different shapes inside of the pig, and so we are going to work on our shapes and also our colors. So what I'm going to have you guys do is watch what I do, and then you will go back to your seats and complete this on your own. I'll also be giving everybody a step-by-step direction form, so that way each student would know what they were supposed to be doing with their seats. Okay. So the first step is we are going to go to these top shapes right up here, and they each have a color written underneath them. This is a square, and it has the color blue written underneath it. This is a triangle, and it has the color orange underneath it. This is a circle, and it has the color red. And this is a star, and it has the color green underneath it. So we are going to start, the first step is going to be to color in these different shapes up here. So the first square is blue. So we are going to take our blue marker and we are going to color in our blue square up here just like that. Okay? The next shape is the triangle, and the color under that is orange. So we will take our orange marker and we will color in our triangle like that. The next one is the circle, and it's got red underneath it, so we'll take our red marker and we'll color in the circle. And then our last shape is the star, and underneath it, it has the word green. So we'll take our green marker and we will color in the star. Okay. So after we've colored in all of our stars, what we're going to do is for all of our shapes up at the top, we are going to come down here and color in all of our shapes down here. So all of the squares, we're going to color blue with our blue marker. So, hey. All of our triangles, we're going to color orange with our orange marker. All of our circles, we're going to color with our red marker, and all of our stars, we're going to color with our green marker. And as we color each different shape, we're going to go ahead and count them. So if we were to count the blue squares, we would take our blue marker and color in all of the squares. And we would count 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, and 5 squares. And then after you color in the shape, you're going to come down to this graph, and you are going to find the matching shape on this graph. So we just did our squares, so we are going to find our square column right here, our square row, and we are going to color in the same amount of boxes as we found squares in the piggy. So we found five squares in the pig, so we are going to color in 5 boxes next to the square on the graph. So after you're done with the squares, then you'd move on to the orange triangles, and you'd color in each triangle and count them as you color. And then you'll come down here to the graph and find the triangle and color in the same amount of boxes as you counted inside of the pig. And then you'll do the red circle, and then you'll do the green star. And if you need any help, you can look at the directions that you have at your desk. And that's how you would do model talk. Another thing that you could add to it is just make sure that you define vocabulary words that might be difficult. I have each of the shapes already on the sheet, and they're also on the instruction sheet as well as the colors. So there really wasn't much vocabulary here that I could have gone over, but that is how you would do model talk. Thanks.